The story From Scrolling to Selling is about Samantha, a college student who spends all her free time on social media. One day, she discovers the world of affiliate marketing and decides to give it a try. With hard work and dedication, she turns her passion for fashion and beauty into a successful affiliate marketing business. This short story highlights the power of determination and the potential for success in pursuing one's passions. Samantha had always been the queen of social media. She spent every spare moment scrolling through her feeds, commenting on posts, and catching up on the latest gossip. She had always thought that her life was fulfilling and complete, but as she approached her final year of college, she began to feel like something was missing. One day, while scrolling through her Instagram feed, she stumbled upon a post by her friend Jason. He had just started his own affiliate marketing business and was already making a full-time income. Samantha was intrigued, and she messaged Jason to ask him how he had achieved such success. Jason was happy to help and invited Samantha to meet him for coffee. As they sipped their lattes, he explained to her the basics of affiliate marketing and how he had been able to build a successful business by promoting products he believed in. Samantha was amazed by Jason's story, and she began to wonder if she could do the same. She started to research affiliate marketing and learned everything she could about it. She discovered that it was a legitimate way to make money online by promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales. As she dove deeper into the world of affiliate marketing, Samantha realized that she had a passion for fashion and beauty. She started to create her own content, showcasing her favorite outfits and beauty products. She built a following and began to promote products that she loved, earning a commission on every sale. At first, it was a slow process, and Samantha had to put in a lot of hard work and effort. She had to balance her studies with her new venture, but she was determined to make it work. She kept pushing herself, creating more and more content, and networking with other affiliate marketers. As time went on, Samantha's hard work began to pay off. She started to earn a steady income from her affiliate marketing business, and her following grew bigger and bigger. She had gone from being just another social media user to becoming an influential affiliate marketer in her own right. Looking back, Samantha realized that it was her passion for fashion and beauty that had driven her success. She had found something she loved and had turned it into profitable business. She had gone from mindlessly scrolling through social media to building a successful career for herself. Samantha's story is a reminder that we can all find success and fulfillment by pursuing our passions. Whether it's through education or entrepreneurship, taking the time to invest in ourselves can lead to incredible opportunities. By taking the first step towards something new and embracing the challenges that come with it, we can achieve our goals and transform our lives. So, let Samantha's story be an inspiration and a reminder that it's never too late to start pursuing our dreams.